Hi guys! If you often download large files on the internet, whether it's games, software, videos, and so on, you must already know very well that these files are often divided into several RAR file parts. Well, if on a desktop device you can extract it very easily with the WinRAR, WinZip, 7-zip, and so on programs, then what about on an Android phone? Don't worry, on Android phones there are also various apps that you can use to extract multiple RAR files at once. One of them is the RAR app that you can install for free on the Play Store. You simply open the app, then find the folder location where the RAR file parts are stored. After that, check only part 1, then tap the extract button at the top here. You can specify the folder where the extraction is first. Tap OK. Then if your RAR file is password protected, enter the password. Next, just wait for the extraction process to take place. And it's done. Now you have successfully extracted multiple RAR files at once on your Android phone. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. And thank you for watching.